Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back to How Farms Work. I hope you're all having a great Friday. Here on the farm, we are taking a short respite from harvest because it started raining 2 days ago and it's still pretty wet out. The grounds needs a little bit more drying to do yet. Ever since it started raining, it's been very cold and very windy. But we're hoping that we can continue harvesting this weekend once the weather straightens out. So, as you may notice, I have the mulcher here behind me. You might notice that there's a black case on top of it, and no, it is not the G word. Since we're on YouTube, we can't use that word. But we got this big case here, and I bought this to help me change out the mulcher teeth because although the mulcher has been working well, I looked closer at the teeth on the drum, and 6 of them need to be changed out, which works out conveniently because you can buy 6 of the carbide teeth in a package. They come in a whole kit. They have all new bolts and everything. So we're gonna go through and change out the teeth that need to be changed. You can tell which ones are bad by just looking closer at them. Here's one. That one's got a chip in it. So once they start to chip, that's a sign that you need to change them out. So I'm kind of excited to see how this thing will perform with 6 new teeth on it, because that one, although it's got a chip in it, it's not really bad. However, a couple on here really do need to be changed. So I'm gonna do that. What do you say we pop out this torque wrench that I bought, which is huge. Look at that thing. Time for the old heat treatment. That got hot real quick. I'm pretty sure I torched off all the... Sure. Look at that. Woo. That's WD-40 burning. I think so, yeah, it looks loose. Here's our new carbide tooth. So, comes with these bolts. They say you always want to change these out when you change one of these. It's got a spacer on it, and it's also got this little washer. So A&ICs goes around the bolt, and then you just slide it through the tooth on the drum, and then you just tighten it down. They say that this drum needs to be tightened down to 450 foot-pounds. I'm gonna go and clean up the drum, try to get as much of the gunk and whatnot that's in it out, so that next time we go to take these off, hopefully it's not quite a disaster. But once we heat treated it, it seems like it came off much easier. Look at all that gunk. Put our spacer on the tooth. We're doing the whole bolt because Never Sees isn't in short supply around here. Want to make sure our carbide teeth are pointing the right way. It's going to fit on there just like that. Okay. we needed was a little heat to get those teeth changed on the mulcher. But I took it for a spin around the farm, and it seems like it is mulching better now. It seems like it's taking on stumps a little bit better, and I don't know if that's just a product of having those new teeth on there. We only changed out 3 so far, but those were the only ones that were chipped. It did actually help the vibration at the high flow setting, but there's still a very minute vibration when it gets all the way revved up. And so far it seems like just having those 3 teeth changed out really helped. So this weekend we are headed into baling. I'm gonna bale some wet hay silage here, probably only 10 bales, and we're baling roughly 100 fodder bales over at the farm is what we're looking to get over at the main farm. So I'll be filming that. We do plan on wrapping fodder for the first time, so I'm actually really excited to see how nice the fodder will stay being protected from the elements, because typically the fodder stays decent halfway through the winter, but it's when you get towards spring that the bales that you have that have been sitting out really get bad. So it'll be interesting to see how they endure the winter when they have protection. But I'm going to try to get this video out tomorrow. No guarantees on Sunday's video, mostly because I'm busy, but I'm also getting sick, and I'd have no promises about me being able to get home at the end of the day and edit a video, because the sun's not even down, and right now I want to walk inside and take a nap or just go to bed. So just giving you a little heads up. I'll try to get a video out for Sunday, but just kind of a little forewarning in case I don't, but still check in to see. So I let the cows out into the 11 acres now. They've pretty much got the pastures shaved off. Once they have that eaten down, hopefully we can get the corn off of this farm, and I can kick them out into the field to hopefully get them. I want to get them through December. Right now it looks like that's where I need to be in order to last through the month of May with my feed, if I feed out bales at the rate that they were using them this spring. So I've brought on a few cows, so I'm probably going to have increased usage, but we'll just have to wait and see. But anyway, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out all of our other videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Actually make that TikTok, not Twitter. Thinking about deleting my Twitter account entirely, just because it's way too political on there. But with that, I'll see you next time, guys.